Good morning, everyone. We are happy to have you with us in this new episode of our adventure. In today's video, you'll join Jane and Alex as they begin their first full day in New York City. You'll learn useful English conversations and sentences used in real-life situations, from waking up in a hotel room and getting ready for the day to having breakfast, asking for directions, and planning their sightseeing adventure. Watch as Jane and Alex visit a hotel restaurant, order breakfast, talk about their plans, and ask local people for directions to some of New York's most famous attractions. Listen carefully to the speakers and repeat what they say. This will help you improve your English listening, speaking, and pronunciation skills while learning practical English for travel and everyday conversations. So, are you ready to explore New York with Jane and Alex? Let's begin their exciting day in the city.
Alex, wake up.
What time is it?
It's almost 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock? Really?
Yes, we slept too much. We should get up and get ready.
Oh no, we wanted to start sightseeing early.
Exactly. Come on, get out of bed.
Okay, I'm awake now.
Good. Let's get dressed and have breakfast.
What's the weather like today?
I checked my phone. It's cool this morning, but it will be warmer later.
Then I should wear something comfortable.
Yes, we'll be walking a lot today.
I'm thinking of wearing jeans, a t-shirt, and a light jacket.
That sounds perfect.
What about you?
I'll wear comfortable jeans, sneakers, and a light sweater.
Good choice. New Yorkers seem to dress casually, but stylishly.
That's true. People here walk everywhere, so comfortable shoes are important.
I'm glad I brought my sneakers.
Me too. My feet would not survive New York in high heels.
We have a busy day ahead of us.
Are you ready?
Almost. Let me finish getting dressed.
I'll wait for you near the door.
5 more minutes.
That's what you said 10 minutes ago.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Perfect. Let's go have breakfast and start our New York adventure.
Good morning. Welcome to breakfast.
Good morning.
Please have a seat. Would you like some coffee or tea?
Coffee for me, please.
I'll have tea.
Certainly. Would you like eggs, pancakes, or waffles?
I'd like pancakes.
I'll have scrambled eggs and toast.
Excellent choice. I'll bring your order shortly.
Everything smells delicious here.
Yes, the smell is making me even hungrier.
Same here. I usually prefer homemade breakfast, but some restaurant breakfasts are really tempting.
That's true. The food looks amazing, and the aroma is wonderful.
I can't wait to try my pancakes.
And I'm excited about my omelet.
Here are your drinks. Your breakfast will be ready in just a few minutes.
Thank you. This place has a great atmosphere.
Yes, it's the perfect way to start our first day in New York.
Here you are. 1 cheese omelet for you, sir. And pancakes with fresh fruit for you, ma'am.
Wow, that looks fantastic.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you very much. Let's eat and get ready for an exciting day of sightseeing.
Good morning. How may I help you today?
Good morning. We're visiting New York for the first time and would like some advice.
I'd be happy to help. How long will you be staying in the city?
We'll be here for 5 days.
That's a good amount of time. Have you made any sightseeing plans yet?
Not really. We have a few places in mind, but we're not sure where to start.
Well, what kinds of attractions do you enjoy? Historical sites, museums, parks, shopping, or food?
A little bit of everything.
In that case, I highly recommend the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, Central Park, and the Brooklyn Bridge.
Those are all on our list. Which one should we visit first?
Since it's still morning, I'd suggest visiting the Statue of Liberty first. The earlier you go, the smaller the crowds will be.
That's a good idea. How do we get there?
Take a taxi or the subway to Battery Park. From there, you can catch the ferry.
How long does the ferry ride take?
About 15 to 20 minutes.
Can we go inside the Statue of Liberty?
Yes, but you'll need a special ticket. If you want to visit certain areas, it's best to book in advance.
Good to know. What about Central Park?
Central Park is beautiful at any time of day. You can walk, rent bicycles, or simply relax and enjoy the scenery.
That sounds wonderful. I've seen Central Park in many movies. I'd love to see it in person.
You won't be disappointed.
And what about food? Are there any local dishes we should try?
Definitely. You should try New York-style pizza, bagels, cheesecake, and hot dogs from a street vendor.
Is the subway safe for tourists?
Yes, it's generally safe, and it's one of the fastest ways to get around the city.
Thank you for all your recommendations. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure. Here's a city map and a brochure with information about the major attractions.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your day. And if you need any more help, just stop by the desk.
We will. Thanks again. Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
We're trying to get to Battery Park. Are we going the right way?
Yes, you are. Walk 2 blocks straight ahead, and you'll see the subway entrance.
Is the subway easy to use?
Yes, the signs are clear, and many tourists use it.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a great time in New York.
Thank you. Look, Alex, the skyline is beautiful.
It really is. The buildings look amazing from here.
I can already see the Statue of Liberty.
It's much bigger than I expected.
I'm glad we came early.
Me too. There aren't too many people yet.
This is going to be a wonderful day.
Absolutely. Let's take lots of photos.
And don't forget to send some to our families.
Of course.
We've had an amazing start. to our New York adventure.
Yes, and there are still many exciting places to visit.
Join us in the next lesson as we continue exploring New York City.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like the video.
Subscribe to the channel for more English conversations.
See you in the next video.